Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily cut, split, or trim your videos using VLC Media Player. It's a great tool and very handy for creating clips or trimming parts of your videos. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have the advanced controls enabled in VLC. To do this, go to the View menu at the top, and then click on Advanced Controls. You'll notice some new buttons appear at the bottom of the player. Now that you have the advanced controls enabled, you'll see the recording controls at the bottom. These are what we'll use to cut or trim our video. Let's say I want to cut a section from my video, for example, from 10 seconds to 15 seconds. You can adjust this according to where you want your clip to start and end. To start cutting your video, click on the record button, which looks like a red circle, and then click play to start your video. You can fine-tune where you want to end your clip by going frame by frame. To precisely find the endpoint, pause the video just before the last second of the section you want to keep, and then use the frame by frame button, which looks like an arrow pointing to the right, to navigate frame by frame until you reach the exact endpoint. Once you've selected the endpoint of your clip, click on the record button again to stop recording, and then click stop to end playback. Your trimmed video clip will now be saved in your computer's videos folder. You can easily find it there. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly cut, split, or trim your videos using VLC Media Player. It's simple once you get the hang of it, and a very useful feature for editing your videos on the fly. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know. Also, if you have any questions or other topics you'd like to see covered, leave those in the comments too. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.